welcome to Cooking with RegReg. We are so excited about the progress of our little channel since it started just over a month ago. We started it just after Thanksgiving and Christmas just wrapped up for everyone. In an effort to reach more viewers and grow our subscriptions, we are doing a promotional giveaway. So here are the rules, quick and easy. Once we reach 100 subscribers, we're going to do a random drawing for one of these, the Ninja Foodi Grill. You've seen it on my videos, you've heard me talk about it, especially folks that I work with and friends and family. You know how much we love it. We use it practically every night. And so we're going to give one of these away to one of our first 100 subscribers. And if you've already subscribed, you're automatically entered into the drawing. So I really like doing these videos and sharing recipes and tips with you guys. And like today, I heard from one of our subscribers who tried one of our soup recipes and they really loved it. And they said, hey, we're avoiding the drive-thru tonight too. So for us, that's what it's all about, is just kind of sharing these simple recipes that can help you avoid the drive-thru and keep your family healthier and make your life actually feel less stressful, even though you're at home cooking and cleaning at night. So anyway, thank you for being a part of this little journey with us. So as a reminder, the official rules for the giveaway are in the description below, so be sure to take a look at those. And the promotion starts today, December 26th, and it'll end as soon as we get 100 subscribers. So make sure you're in that count. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe and share it with your friends and your family. And let's see what happens. Let's see how quickly we can get to 100 subscribers. Thank you guys. Good luck, everyone.